Right now, as you watch this video, there are 5 digital predators hunting for people exactly like you. The scary part? You're probably inviting them in without even realizing it. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the most common cyber threats that target everyday internet users. More importantly, I'll show you exactly how to spot them and shut them down before they cause damage. By the end of this video, you'll see the internet in a whole new way, and you'll have the confidence to navigate it safely. First up, malware protection starts with understanding the delivery system. Malicious software doesn't knock on your door, it disguises itself as legitimate downloads, email attachments, or even fake software updates. The key to computer virus prevention? Never download from suspicious sources, and always verify software updates through official channels. This is your first line of internet security defense. Phishing attacks have evolved from obvious scams to sophisticated replicas of your bank, email provider, or social media platforms. Email security is no longer about spotting typos. It's about verifying sender addresses and never clicking suspicious links. Online scam prevention means developing a habit of hovering over links to see the actual URL and contacting companies through their official websites, not through email links. Social engineering threats are perhaps the most personal attacks. Hackers use information you voluntarily share online to impersonate you or guess your security answers. Data privacy isn't just about hiding. It's about being strategic with what you share publicly. Personal information protection means treating your mother's maiden name, pet names, and birth dates as confidential security data, not casual conversation topics. Public Wi-Fi risks are the silent eavesdroppers of the digital world. When you connect to unsecured networks, everything you do, every login, every message, can be intercepted. Network security requires treating public Wi-Fi like a public conversation. Secure browsing on public networks means using a VPN or avoiding sensitive transactions altogether. This is non-negotiable for digital safety. Fake app detection has become increasingly difficult as scammers create near-perfect replicas of popular applications. Mobile security now requires carefully checking developer names, review counts, and download numbers before installation. So let's recap your cyber threat protection action plan. Verify before you download, inspect before you click, share less personal information, secure your connections, and double-check app authenticity. You've just taken a massive step in internet safety education. Now you can recognize these common online threats and implement practical security solutions. In our next video, we dive deeper into one of the most frightening threats, identity theft. I'll show you exactly how to build an impenetrable defense system for your personal information. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Remember, knowledge is your best firewall. See you in the next video.